Hey, what's up, guys? I'm finally kind of back. I just haven't had anything to do really, so haven't made videos, but trying to get back into it. And so we got my GT350 style bumper here, and finally got it painted. I had it on the car before, but it's because I bought an open box, and so it was kind of messed up in a couple places. So I had to heat it up and warp it like on the car to get it look best, but there's still a couple places that aren't the best, like right here, but it's fine to me, so it is what it is. But got it painted yesterday, waited for it to dry overnight, so I'm getting all the accessories back in. Got the chin spoiler back on, and got the little inserts in here. Now, I won't be able to, well, I'll show you whenever I go put it on, but from the accident kind of that I had, I can't fully get the bumper on, but it'll stay on. But really need to fix it. I'll show you whenever I head over to the car, but I'm gonna get the lower grill in, get our lights and grill in here, lights and grilling over there, and then we'll head over to the car. All right, we've got the bumper back on the car, or not back on the car, but sitting up on it now. Got all the grills in and everything. She looks good painted. We'll get in the screws that go up here on the top, and then we'll pop in right here, put the screw in that goes to the fender, to the bumper, and then we'll do the other side. We should be done. Or we'll put up the lights and have the wheel off, so it's easier to get to that. I'll jack the other side up and put that wheel off. But what I was talking about with that, so when I ran off the road, or not when I ran off the road, I messed up. It ripped the bumpers off and everything, as you can see from that little short, but it messed up my fender liner. So the fender liner's cut and it's like this, so I need a new fender liner, and it messed up the splash shield underneath, so there's no splash shield right there anymore. So it needs a new splash. It needs both fender liners, because this other fender liners is the same. It's cut, so gotta spend a couple $100 and fix that, so everything is perfectly secure and everything's right again. So I'll probably make that another video of getting all that installed, because it's just push-ins for the fender liner and then little bolts, which I probably have to get new bolts because I don't know where they went for the splash guard. So, but yeah, I'll get back once we get a side on and we can see how she looks then. So we've got this side on and she looks good. Matches. Got this screw in here. It's a little annoying. I can't get it without the wheel off, as I said before, but it's like right there where on top of my finger. There's a screw there. Real annoying to get to, but take the wheel off, it's fine. So we'll get this back, kinda. Still need new ones, but now just need to take this one, get it on, and we should be good to go. Well, while I'm at the shop, I was walking around the car the other day because this would pop out. I need new stays for this, because whenever I got into that little accident, it broke some of the clips in the stay. But you can kind of see there's some scratches right there. So we're gonna sand it down with some 2000 and try and buff them out. See how that works. But should be looking good. I'll jump back when we get the other side on, and we'll do a full little walk around, and then I'll buff those scratches out, see what I can do, and we'll head outside and look at it in the daylight. But see you then. Alrighty, we've got the bumper on, and she looks good. got plates turned out. Looks pretty good. And we're gonna buff these scratches real quick. Or I'm gonna attempt to, I guess. See what happens. See if I can't get these out. And then we'll pull the car outside and look at it then. Just finished buffing out these scratches and kind of got them out, but didn't fully, so probably would have to repaint this area, but it's not super noticeable now. I don't even know if you can see it on the camera, to be honest with you, but they're not like super noticeable now, and you can only see them if you're really looking for them. Try and get the rest of this buffing compound out, but yeah, you can kind of see it right there and right there. That's pretty much the bad. They're just a little bit too deep, but pretty much done with the car now, or for today. So we'll pull her outside. It's about to storm. I don't know if it started raining here yet, so hopefully I can get a couple decent shots real quick, and then to show off the car, and we'll end it there. But try and get outside real quick. Alrighty, we got the car outside. It's pretty windy out, but it's about to rain. But she's looking good. Can't wait till I get that splash guard. Everything's on there fine. But finally, paint the black messy plastic on it. Matches the car. It's good. Got the stocks back on because one of my SVU wheels got a dent in it, and so I'm taking it to be repaired this week. So we'll get that done and we'll have the bronze wheels back on. And then thinking about painting the calipers. I don't know what color yet. I don't want to do red because red doesn't know anything. I'm thinking about white or black. But just a short little video of getting this bumper back on and stuff. But trying to be back, trying to make videos, and see y'all next time.